Hey guys, it's Lauren from It's the Kellys, and ever since I did my I lost my passport video when I lost my passport in Europe, I have been getting a ton of questions about passports. So I thought I would do a little bit of a series all about getting a passport or renewing a passport or special circumstances. So if you are in one of these special circumstances, there could be a video for you coming up. But today I thought that we would do a video about how to get your child a passport, and I thought I could do a super creative, fun way to do it by having a child himself tell you the whole scoop. My nephew Luke has wanted to be in a YouTube video for some time now, so I thought this would be a super good one. So here's Luke with all the information.
If you want to go to another country, you have to get your kid a passport, even if they're a little baby. Kid passports are good for 5 whole years. That's how old I've been alive. I'm Luke, I'm 5 years old, but I'm really 4.5, but I'm going to be 5 in a week. Step 1, get the DS11 form and fill it out. Don't forget to use a black pen. Step 2, try to get your kid's birth certificate. Step 3, make sure you have your ID for both mom and dad. You're also going to need to prove you're the mom and dad. So make sure that's on the birth certificate. Don't forget to make a passport application appointment. We usually like to do it at the post office. So if both parents can't be at the appointment, you're gonna have to fill out a special form. They're gonna have to be signed and notarized. When your kid's at the appointment, they're gonna have to get their picture taken. Or you can go to the appointment and you already have a picture. You can get this picture done in a lot of different stores. The picture has to be 2 inches by 2 inches. And there has to be a plain white background. Oh, make sure your eyes are opened in the picture. It's very important. And if you wear glasses, make sure to take them off. You're going to need to have a natural smile for the photo, like this. Your child's passport will cost $135. It can take up 11 weeks to come in. You can also get it expedited if you need it sooner. If you have any questions, you can ask my aunt. I'm so excited to be on this YouTube today. Please subscribe to It's the Kellys. And like this video if you think I'm cute. Comment down below if you think I should be in a different video. I want to travel to Brazil one day. I would love to go to Egypt.
And see the pyramids?
Yeah.
Would you ride a camel?
Yeah, but...
They'd stink.
Bye everyone. Thanks for watching.